Today I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the DJI Mic 2 in H.264, and there is no high bit rate on this camera that I could find on it. As I look at the back of the screen of the camera, it's smaller than the Action 5 Pro. Now these two things shouldn't really bother me at all about the camera. I know the difference where I go to format. That shouldn't be bothering me as well. But I like the way the Action 5 Pro is. How about those exposure spikes? They really get to you. I like the colors of this camera. I went out and I did a sup video, and it did a nice job. Understanding when I was far out, I did lose connection of the mic, but it gained back very fast. And yeah, it looked pretty good to me. This is a beltway, meaning it loops around traffic both ways. They should just call it traffic way. That red car, orange car, that's called an Ocean. I'm not sure what type of car it is. Let's get going. See what it looks like when it rides by. Where did it go? There it is. And what type of car is that? Who's it by? Summertime, great time to have fun. Swim in the water, pick a spot, off you go. Now, no matter what you do, you're gonna enjoy the camera. If it's an Action 3, 4, 5 Pro, Insta360, Ace Pro, Ace Pro 2. These are the cameras we all use. We have the camera in our gear and we have fun using it. Come down over here and you can see the steeplechase parachute jump straight ahead, right in the opening, and see the fireworks. So I had to look up who the Ocean is from the company called Fisker Battery Electric Mid SUV Crossover, and they went bankrupt June 2024, released in 2023. So what do you do now when that company's no more and out of business? And that's the first one I've seen here. Well, is it like the company called Saturn, where they lasted 7 years and went out of business, and they do have to make parts for that car until it's gone? Yeah, that's what I think. Those days are gone, man. That car didn't even last a year in business. So now the company's called KAMA, their own. 2004, the person first founded and all. I don't know. I'm looking this up online. Captain Jeff's going out. He's got a good crew. I just missed this horn blow. Well, we're done for the day. I got the shots I wanted to go get, grabbed what I wanted to grab, and off we go. Well, I am Fish, and I do thank you for coming along on this small trip, an outing to get out, to go have some fun with the DJI Osmo Action 4.